As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on parts and tools we use in today's project. Today, we're going to be checking out your Evap Canister Purge Valve, or Evap Canister Purge Solenoid. It's for your 2007 Toyota Camry. And let's see if I can remember all these codes it causes. It can cause a P0441, P0443, and the two, P0442. It can also cause P0455 and P0456, I believe. So anyways, let's check out this little part that can cause all these little problems. Here we go. Okay, so our piece is right here. First, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna grab this guy right here. We're gonna squeeze, pull, and then Toyota's real nice to us. They gave us these little hose clamps, or yeah, they are hose clamps, and you can kind of just come in and squeeze with 2 fingers and push away. And then there's one over here. Let's see if I can show you both of this. Right back in there, focus camera. So there's the one, and then there's one more. I got my finger on it. You can just barely see it, but you're gonna grab that as well. Focus. And then, so I'm just gonna reach in here, squeeze, pull down. So I got both our clamps loose. And then, we'll pull these hoses off. So I just pulled that one off, and then we'll pull this other hose off. So now we got both of our hoses off. And then the only thing that's holding us back on is this Phillips head screw right there. Okay, y'all, and I told you take this little screw out right here. Actually, the easiest way to do it was so it fits down in here like this. So this is also the install part. You just push down. All I did was I took a flathead screwdriver and just came in right behind here and pried, and then you're able to pull it out. You don't actually have to take that Phillips off. And then, of course, to put your new one back on, I'm gonna go ahead and focus camera and snap it back on right there until you hear it snap. Go ahead, get the one right here, push that one back on, push this one back on, push, push, push. And then here you can see me use my hands. I'm gonna squeeze, slide that back on, and that is it, guys. Pretty simple fix, and you can check the video description down below for the best price on this part right here.